that you're gonna go chasing waterfalls. I know that you're gonna go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. But I think you're moving too fast.